Hey everyone, it's Jane and this is a Cards Against Procrastination video. So we have 4 sections because we face different hurdles in procrastinating. We might need a bit of help planning for our success. When you get into it, can you find your focus? When you're in it, do you get stuck emotionally and mentally? And finally, one of my faves, how do you boost your energy to get the best out of your sessions? So there's 3 cards in each. So plan for success will include such things as your one big thing, no matter what. And then what is your continuity between sessions? How do you not waste time looking for things that you've already done or rewriting bits that you actually have got a draft of somewhere because you can't remember what you did? Find your focus. These are really productive tasks. So just do 5, Pomodoro technique and Be More Hemingway. 3 different tips to get you being productive, whether that's writing or reading or listening or watching or finding resources. These are going to come in handy. And then focusing to get work done can be really emotional. This is get unstuck. So if you're not feeling it, stop. Follow this because this will help you. Are you feeling hungry or angry or lonely or anxious? Use this card to help guide you through those feelings. And if you're really sinking, it can help to name that emotion. So guidance on all of these, but how to cope with that emotional aspect. But you're here because you know that you are worth studying and focusing and working hard because you can do it. And that's what these cards are here to help with. Finally, boost your energy. Sometimes sitting at a desk is actually really quite tiring. So you might need a nap. I always do. What rewards are going to motivate you? Write them down, name them, and do them when you've achieved your one big thing. Gentle exercise anywhere you go. Chair moving, some stretching, get up and walk around where you are. Do some basic yoga moves or Tai Chi or whatever it is that really gets you a little bit of energy. If you want more info, the cards come with the instructions and links to places where you might find some helpful tips. And there's more videos like this coming up. Find the cards at positiveprocrastination.org, janervn.com and on eBay. Thanks for watching.